by grade 5th B. The theme for today's assembly is Keep Your Environment Clean, a step towards a better future. Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Or. This campaign was launched on October 2014 to promote cleanliness and hygiene across India by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. A clean environment is not just about good looks, it ensures good health and a better future. Now, I would like to invite Nishant to present the thought of the day.
I pledge to keep my home, school and surroundings clean. I will not throw garbage here and there. I will encourage others to do the same. Together we will make our environment clean and green.